How to change fandom password. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change fandom password, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your fandom account. Okay, ensure you are logged in, and then once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons. Now among this icon, over to your profile icon, which is located at the lower left corner of the screen. Yeah, so once you can see this, just go ahead and click on it. Then you can see profile, so click on view profile, and then you wait for the page to load. So once the page has loaded, you can see this profile, and then you can see other things on this page. Then once you can see this, the next step to do is to check out the message that you can see here. You can see preferences, right? That's where we are heading to. Just go ahead and click on preferences. All right. In case you don't find this particular message on this page being displayed, you see the option preferences there. Just ensure you click on it. Then you wait for it to load as well. So once that's loaded, this is the preferences page. On this page, you can see a tab displaying user profile, notifications, appearance, editing, recent changes, watch list, etc. So you can see basic information. You can see username, member of group, users, number of edits. So scroll down until you can see my account. So under my account, just go ahead and click on change password, and then you can see. Let's go ahead and click on it again. After clicking on change password, you can see that you will be brought to the account settings page. So on this page, you can see email, you can see username, then you can see change password. To change password, just go ahead and type in the password that you want to use currently. Now the reason why it is displaying this is because when creating my account, I did not input a password initially. But for you, if you have a password there already, you will see the password being displayed, and then after erasing it and typing in the new one, to be changed automatically. So for me, I'll just go ahead and type out the password that I have in mind now. So after typing it out, click on save, and then wait for the page to load again. So after that, you'll be prompted to now sign in using your username and your password, so as to ensure that the password has been fully changed and effected. So this is it, just like that, the password has been changed. So ensure you try this out and have a good day. Thanks for watching and have a good day.